Hello, I'm Keanan, and I've been part of Aerobotics Global for the past 2.5 years. In these 2 years, I've participated in the Young ICT Explorer competition, and both times I have won 3rd place. Ever since joining Aerobotics Global, I've improved and learned countless skills. Just to name a few, I've learned how to use different types of hardware, such as Arduino and Raspberry Pi, and my skills in programming, public speaking, time management and problem solving has also been improved. Best of all, my time at Aerobotics Global has enabled me to acquire an internship with a US non-profit organization. The teachers at Aerobotics Global have been extremely supportive and explain complicated concepts and theories exceptionally well. If you are interested in learning basic to advanced robotics and programming, I highly recommend you to join Aerobotics Global.